This is the finished product of the step beam roll forming machine. It is an important part of storage shelves. This machine helps shelf manufacturers achieve mass production. Let's check the full production process. First is uncoiling and punching. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic punching system. It cuts notches on the steel coil. These notches make the final cutting process smooth and accurate. Next is the roll forming process. The rolling work is precise and stable. It supports size adjustment via the PLC system. We can change the roller width easily to get different finished sizes. This machine has a built-in automatic welding system. It realizes full automatic production from raw coils of final product. The welding mark is clean. Meanwhile, the welding gap is tight and neat. The last step is hydraulic cutting. We adopt the flying shearing technology. It supports high-speed cutting with no burrs on product. The maximum production speed can reach 35